Are you looking for the top 5 portable swamp coolers to beat the heat? Which swamp cooler or portable air conditioner is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Zephyrmyth Portable AC. Let me introduce you to the Zephyrmyth Portable Air Conditioner. This little guy caught my attention with its sleek design and affordable price of $48.99. If you want a compact cooling solution that's easy to carry around, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features 2 cooling modes, natural wind and cooling mode, allowing you to choose how you want to beat the heat. The 1100 ml water tank provides up to 8 hours of continuous mist, perfect for long days in the office or camping trips. Plus, it has 3 fan speeds and an adjustable louver, so you can direct the cool air wherever you need it most. Honestly, with over 1,000 units sold last month, it's clear that many people are loving this. Now, some people complained about the noise level being higher than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something ultra quiet, this might not be your top pick. But for casual use while you're working or relaxing, I found it manageable. This is perfect for you if you need something portable for small spaces like bedrooms or offices. Skip this one if you're looking for a unit that cools large rooms. At under $50, it's a solid deal. Now, if the Zephyrmyth's noise level... Product number 2, Air Choice Swamp Cooler. Next up is the Air Choice Swamp Cooler, retailing for $139.99. What really caught my eye here is its multifunctionality. It's an air cooler, humidifier, and fan all in one. If you want something that does a bit of everything, this is a fantastic option. So why should you consider this? It has a powerful airflow capacity of 3,000 CFM and a 5.5-gallon removable tank, which means fewer refills and improved cooling efficiency. The 120-degree oscillation ensures that cool air reaches every corner of your space, making it ideal for medium-sized rooms. Plus, it includes 4 reusable ice packs to enhance cooling, which is a thoughtful touch for hot summer days. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to move around. Here's the thing. If you plan to keep it in one place, that won't matter much. But if you need something super portable, this might feel a little cumbersome. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded cooler for your living room or office. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and easy to move. Considering its capabilities, it offers great... Product number 3. Hesser MC37M Cooler. Now let's talk about the Hesser MC37M Evaporative Cooler, priced at $389. This one stands out with its high airflow and user-friendly design. If you're looking for something with serious cooling power, you need to hear about this. The 3,100 CFM airflow is a game changer, and the 10.3-gallon tank allows for 3 to 4 hours of continuous use. This unit is designed for outdoor and indoor use, providing cooling for larger spaces, which is exactly what you need if you're entertaining or just need relief from the heat. Plus, it's energy efficient, saving you money on electricity compared to traditional AC units. Now, some people felt the price is a bit steep compared to other options. Here's the thing though, if you want a unit that can handle larger areas without breaking the bank on your electric bill, this could be worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you have a spacious living area or outdoor patio. Skip this one if you're just looking for a small, portable option. It's a solid investment for long-term cooling solutions. Next up, if the price of the Hesser bothered you, the next product offers a more budget-friendly choice without sacrificing too much cooling.
Product number 4, Hesser MC18M. Next, we have the Hesser MC18M, which costs $187. This portable evaporative cooler is compact yet powerful. If you're looking for something that's easy to transport but still effective, this could be your go-to. With a CFM of 1,300, it's designed for smaller spaces, providing a great cooling experience without the bulk. The 4.8-gallon tank makes it low maintenance, and its lightweight design means you can take it from room to room or even set it outdoors. Operating it is super simple. Just fill the tank, plug it in, and you're good to go. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't cool as effectively in high humidity. Here's the deal. If you live in a drier climate, you'll get the best results. But if you often deal with humidity, you might want to consider a different model.
This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, no-fuss cooler for smaller areas. Skip this one if you live in a humid climate where it might struggle. For the price, it's a solid option for those looking for basic.
Product number 5, JT Kuong Portable AC. Last but not least, we have the JT Kuong Portable AC at $99.99. This unit combines several features into one, which is really appealing. If you want an all-in-one solution for cooling, this is definitely worth checking out. What I love about this unit is its 3-sided cooling design, which maximizes airflow and efficiency. With 3 fan speeds in modes, it adapts to your needs, whether you want a gentle breeze or a powerful chill. The low noise level of 45 dB makes it perfect for nighttime use, ensuring you get a good night's sleep. Some users, however, did mention that it can take a bit longer to cool down a room compared to traditional AC units. Here's the thing, if you're patient and looking for something energy efficient, this unit will do the trick without the hefty power bills. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible cooling solution that can be easily moved. Skip this one if you need it.
To wrap it all up, we've covered 5 fantastic options. The Zephyrmyth Portable AC for portability, the Air Choice Swamp Cooler for versatility, the Hessair MC37M for larger spaces, the compact Hessair MC18M for ease of use, and the JT Kuong Portable AC for all-in-one features. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so choose one that fits your specific needs. Stay cool out there.